I'm Suman Agarwal, owner of Self Care by Suman. This is Aditya Birla Health Insurance's Health from Home series. Today we are going to do two very quick recipes and which hardly uses much ingredients and easily available. Okay, very good for beginners. Let's try. I'm going to make a juice. So you all have heard of orange juice, but there's a little twist to it. It's called Summer Breeze. I'm going to use 2 oranges, de-seeded and the white parts removed. Okay, and I'm going to be putting 1 peeled and chopped pear, 2 teaspoons of sugar, some ice, 2 to 3 cubes of ice, and little bit of water. Let's churn this. Here is a tip. You know, oranges are rich in vitamin C and pear has lots and lots of antioxidants. So what we are going to do is, the one thing about juices are that as soon as they are taken out, you need to drink fresh. You can do 2 ways. You can either strain it or use the pulp. I like to use the pulp because of the fiber, and this pulp is very good for constipation and any gut issues. So you have 2 glasses of juices ready. Looks nice and orange, right? Want to drink one? Very tasty too. Now let's move on to the next recipe. It is called mock mayo sandwich. There's no mayonnaise. So instead of mayonnaise, we have 2 cups of yogurt you have to take, and you can make the yogurt with the regular milk and tie it in a muslin cloth, and for at least 1 to 1.5 hours. When it becomes so thick, you remove it and strain it. Then to this mixture, to make the mayonnaise, some vegetables I'm adding. This is around 1/4 cup of carrots grated, 1/4 cup of capsicum chopped finely, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, salt. Salt is as per taste. Now we're going to mix this well. Now the next step, we are going to take, for tempering or chonka, we're going to heat a little bit oil. I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of oil for this. You can take even a little lesser and temper it with say half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. And some curry leaves. We have to wait till the time it gets heated. This recipe is very simple. This can be had for breakfast because it's a good combination of protein and fiber, which is in vegetable, and carb, which is bread. It can be had even for dinner or lunch. You can just add salad to it, or maybe glass of buttermilk or a sprouted salad. Very good combination. Makes a complete meal. So oil is heated. I put you have to make sure the oil is properly heated and mustard is spluttering. I'm going to switch off the gas, heat, and add the red chili powder. Red chili powder is almost half a teaspoon. I'm going to add all of it just to bring some taste to this. If a child is eating or an elderly person, or you don't want to give so much of chilies to it, it's okay without the chilies too. Now your spread is ready. Now for the next step. We're going to take a flat non-stick tawa. Preheat it. At the same time, we are going to butter the toast. First, we will put your mayonnaise, make it into half and half, and put on the toast like a spread or as a filler. Then cover with the other toast. Put butter on top. Meanwhile, we will do another tampering on tawa. Reduce this slightly, prepare the other slice. As you know, carrots are very rich in beta-carotene, that is the precursor to vitamin A, very good for your eyes and skin, and it's a super antioxidant. You butter this toast also on top. Now let's tamper this with the rest of the mustard seeds. And the curry leaves. I think Indian loves to add curry leaves to everything. It really gives it a distinct Indian flavor. Now this is tampered. Now we're going to put this toast slightly this way. Leave half for the other toast. Reduce the heat. Butter the other side of the toast. Let's see how it is doing. You have to make sure it is slightly goldenish brownish in color, and you can also press it a bit to make sure all the sides get properly cooked. So yogurt, which is the main ingredient, is very rich in calcium, rich in protein, and has very good has SFA, which is saturated fatty acids. It's an excellent dish for growing children because of it being rich in calcium, and your dish is almost ready. So it's time for feast. You can always cut this into 2 parts so it becomes easier to eat. Okay, let's go. about the juice, you can always strain it because children may not like the pulp, though we like the pulp. And the pulp is the fiber, right? As I mentioned, it's very good for your gut. It makes your the glucose, because the fruits are rich in fructose and glucose, so it makes your glucose release slowly in your blood, so there are no sugar spikes. Okay, so the pulps are important. Okay, now let's go to this. As I mentioned, that it's a complete meal, and it's not that I'm really fond of bread all the time, but it's a very quick recipe in these times. If you someone who's a beginner to cooking, it's easily just get the bread, tie the curd, add the vegetables, and cook it on the tawa. Very simple, right? Okay, so tip of the day. Tip of the day is summer is setting in, as all of you know. We always forget to hydrate ourselves because we don't feel that heat is really caught on. It's very, very important to hydrate yourself. Drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water. Drink especially during mid meals. You can have buttermilk, coconut water, nimbu pani with sugar and salt, a pulpy juice like this. And remember, every time you have tea, coffee, since it's a diuretic, have a glass of water additionally because it dehydrates you. You won't even know, sometimes you're so dehydrated that you are irritable. So that you need to control. Remember to hydrate yourself.